Hey, this is Frank and welcome back to Travel Tips. Today we're going to be speaking about Cambodia, an amazing, amazing country. I went there for the first time about 2 years ago, and being a professional speaker, there's one of the speakers that organizes a trip every year. There's about 15 speakers that get involved, and it's to go out and help some of the poorer nations, the third world countries. And what we do, every speaker pays for their own airfares, their own hotels. They each contribute $1,500 that goes into a fund. And then we go around to orphanages, we buy sweets for the kids, we spend time with them, we play some sport, we buy toys for them. We go to a lot of different places where people are struggling. And one of the places we went in Cambodia was, if you go out into the country, people still don't have water. So for about $350, that will actually buy a well where somebody can come and get some running water where they can wash, they can drink, that kind of thing. So it was really fascinating for me going there the first time, seeing the big cities and then going out into the country where there's still a lot of poverty. Now, money, they use the Cambodian riel, and it's about 4,000 to the dollar and about 5,000 to the pound. So again, you've got to be sitting there calculating all of this stuff. Taxis are dirt cheap. In fact, from the airport it'll cost you about $7. It's only 20 minutes. I don't think I ever paid more than $2 for a taxi, but in fact I spend most of my time going around on the tuk-tuks. The tuk-tuks are really cheap, they're fun, and they get you everywhere. When it comes to tipping, it's not forced on you, but 10% is normally pretty good. When you think about their culture as well, it's a mixture of Buddhism, Javanese, Chinese, Thai, and the Khmer, and most of the people are Khmer over there. Food is really cheap. You want a really good evening meal, you'll be paying about $6 for that. And a great place to go over there is Pub Street. There's lots of great pubs, lots of places to eat and drink. Shopping, great shopping as well. Go to Lucky Mall or the Tea Galleria. Tap water, always drink bottled water over there, because again, being a third world country, and as I've said, we go out there and we help them to actually bring water up out of the wells. So always buy bottled water and make sure that it's sealed when you buy it. Now, the one thing you have to do if you go to Cambodia is you have to see the sunrise over Angor Wat. I mean, Angor Wat, one of the 7 wonders of the world. So we went out there at about 4 o'clock in the morning, and it was just amazing, just watching over the water, how the colors changed over Angor Wat. As it got lighter, we started exploring. You go out there with the apes. It's a fascinating place. Got some pictures with some of the Buddhist monks over there. But it is a place you have to go to. There's many of the 7 wonders that I've seen, a few that I still want to see, but this one was absolutely amazing. Some do's and don'ts over there. If you're going to be taking photographs, ask for permission. So if I was going with some of the monks over there, I would ask them if I could have a photograph. Just don't take photos without them knowing or without asking, because that is rude. Some weird things as well. Don't touch people on the head. That's not appreciated, bad luck, and they just don't like that. If you're eating somewhere, so we went to a lot of the orphanages and they gave us food, don't start eating before the host. Wait for the host to start eating over there. If you're going into anybody's house or anywhere you're going, always remove your shoes. Same with the 2-hand business card, the same as in China. Or in Japan, you always receive the business card with 2 hands. You look at it lovingly and you put it in the pocket closest to your heart, not the one in the back of your trousers closest to your butt. Also, they frown a little bit on any shows of public affection, but it is an amazing country to go and see. There's so much to see and to do there. I've only been to Siem Reap. And next time I go there, I want to see a lot more. I'll actually be there the middle of next year. We're doing another one of those tours with the speaker. It's called Together We Can Save the World. So if you get a chance, please go to Cambodia, go to Siem Reap, and of course, go and see that magnificent Angor Wat. Hey, this is Frank. Thanks for watching Travel Tips.